Blargshans?
Blarganians?
I like Blarganians.
Yeah, Blarganians.
Yep. What about you? Oh! What? They just... Clank got shot.
Clank? Come on, wake up!
Captain Quark?
No, goofball.
Uh-oh.
It's me, Ratchet.
What happened?
You got toasted by lightning. This
Ooh.
place is having one heck of a storm. You won't be safe out there. I'll be right back.
Oh my god, you have to go without Clank?
Yay! Anything?
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Tesla Claws, no. But that costs just as much as the health upgrade.
Never! Oh, snap.
Maybe you should buy ammo?
Oh, yeah. Oh, fine.
Fuzzball.
Definitely. Oh, might no.
You could just slide it over and pick multiples rather than just one at a time.
That's a
Never!
nice one.
I like one at a time.
Okay, have fun with your one at a time.
Can I go the other way?
No.
Well, that's stupid.
At least it speeds up.
That's a real beauty.
I'm glad.
That should be everything.
That's a real beauty.
Oh, alright. Over here. Jump on this thing.
And there's a taxi ready for you already?
Is that where I gotta go?
I don't think so, because normally they do the trail of coins. Looks like there's a metal path you could walk up if you wanted.
Where?
That strip right there?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but this is the first time you're using them.
Oh.
Just think of how disorienting that would actually be.
Well, if you do it for too long, all the blood's gonna rush to your head. Wee. Yeah. What's over here?
Looks like an arena.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! No!
That almost kills you through ice.
I don't want to drop down. No, we're gonna do this.
Again.
One more time.
That was some slippery ice.
You proud of me?
Not necessarily.
Why? I did so. Oh god. Oh, what the? Ah! I thought it would like stop you from like running over the side.
Nope.
Well, that's just not nice. Now that I know that. So you can flip to the other side if you wanted to?
No.
You just run.
It's the one. Only the one side's magnetic.
Oh, that's weird.
You just happen to walk on the side that had gravity working for it.
Right. Oh,
You almost died.
stupid ball. Okay. This way seems safer. Arr! Okay, that's not nice. I guess I gotta go this way then. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay, let's do this. Ow! What? So I can't jump over that?
No, you can. You jumped on it and you had no traction, so it hit you again.
Okay. Yeah. How come the wind? Oh, I'm not on ice.
Yeah.
I did it! I did it!
I'm a winner.
Yeah! And what does it give me?
Another path.
And a life ball!
Which I would recommend just throwing your wrench at.
That's what I planned. Okay. Wrong direction. Right there. Yes. Alright, let's go. Okay. Balls. Oh no! No! No!
Oh my god. And you're back here again.
I got so far. This better lead somewhere worthwhile. That is stupid.
And it's another upgrade you have to buy.
Should set us back. Okay. We can do this.
Well, what the sad part is,
Huh.
I'm pretty sure this part's optional.
It's okay, we like optional things. It's like, would you like a...
Would you like this gun?
Well,
50,000.
I was thinking more like when you go to a restaurant and they, you know, like there's part of the meal that's like optional and it's free, but they ask you if you want it. Why not just give it to me and then I can decide what I want? Well, I guess maybe they don't want to waste it if you don't want it, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that would be weird if they just took it from you and put it around to another table.
That'd be kind of interesting. That'd be kind of funny. It's like, would you go up and tell people like, I kind of just was eating, or salad was just on my table. They literally just picked it up. Why? That's a dumb face. Okay, we can do this. There we go. So now we go down here, and we take and wait for ball man. Okay, take a left. Go up. Go
Upside down.
take
And
a
around.
left. And back up. I'm gonna be able to do this blindfolded pretty soon. Okay, now wait for ball man. And then instead of going left, like we keep doing, I'll go this way.
Even when you do that, you fall.
And I'll go this way. And jump over the lightning bolts. Go here. Slow down. Okay, I think I got it. Hey! No! Okay.
You really want to die, don't you?
Yes. Okay, this is working out better. Okay, I'll accept that performance. Do I have enough life on it?
You should have full health.
Well, I'm throwing it. Okay. Just right. Just in case. Okay. I'm gonna take it slow. Ball man, you are my worst enemy because you scare me. Okay, run. Go! Now I'm doing the weird loop dude.
Yeah, the cameras are your
Whoa!
worst enemy on these, isn't it?
Yes, I don't like it. Okay. Up, over. There. That was nice. Oh my! Oh! Noodles! What the hell was that?
Just some guy.
Ow! How do
Use your gun. Your gun.
Ah! Die! Okay. Okay, this is not fun.
Wait, there's a path over there.
This way?
No, back where that one guy was.
Okay. Okay. That was not very nice. I thought it was like a... Okay, no. Bad. This way.
Bad Ratchet. Or
Do I jump up there?
check the map. Yeah, you gotta jump up there. Wait, can you latch onto that area right in front of you first? Okay, at least you can do it safely. And as soon as you get up there, the wind. What the hell?
Captain Quark!
Where?
Come on, Quark, I know it's you.
The name's Steve. Pleased to meet you.
What?
Steve, I need to know where Drek is before it's too late.
Did you say too late? Sir, it is never too late to acquire the latest in the long line of quality products from Gadgetron.
How did he already get a job after blowing up?
Today only, the Gadgetron PDA.
Public display of affection?
No, personal delivery assistant. This device
Okay.
allows you to purchase ammunition wherever and whenever you want it.
Yeah? How do I know it works?
You can always trust Gadgetron.
I don't even want that item.
My name's not Steve.
Oh, it's only 1,000. That's cheap. We can take that.
Thank you,
Yeah.
and have a quark-tastic day.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
One of the worst part was, there's
What?
one thing I noticed was like, when he was going did the phrase, or my name's not Steve,
Yeah.
his eyes were completely blank.
Yeah, no, they're white. I think he might have been rolling them, maybe? Like a...
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So now we have the personal display of affection. Okay. Do you think that thing was worth it?
What, Josh?
Was that thing worth it?
I guess, since we can get ammunition anywhere now.
So, like, right now we could use it?
Yeah.
Okay. And now we use this.